To see the price or for more details about this product, be sure and check out the link down below in the description. A big thank you to this company for being nice enough to send me this Oh Yuck 5-in-1 cold plunge care in exchange for this video, and I'm super excited to talk to you today about it. Now, this is the bottle that the liquid comes in right here, and if we take a look at the bottom, you'll notice it's the 16 fluid ounce bottle there. It also says Aloe Blend Conditioner, and we'll talk about that in just one moment, but I wanted to show you the instructions here. Now, the instructions say to add half an ounce to your cold plunge water weekly, and I did want to mention, you'll notice there is really no delay after you add it, or no draining required for this product on the instructions, which I thought was really interesting. I wanted to show you now here that you'll see that this is designed to kind of clean, to condition, and clarify, and it does a lot of those different features kind of here when you add it to the water of your cold plunge here, and that's essentially what this product is designed to do. Now, one thing I did want to mention is because they do recommend half an ounce for your cold plunge weekly, if my math is correct, that should be about 32 applications here in this bottle, meaning you could get about 32 weeks worth of use out of just one bottle here, which is really awesome. And for that reason, I would highly recommend this Oh Yuck 5-in-1 cold plunge care. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.